Hello YouTube, Fix Pick and Lock. I'm back, still alive. I've got a silver lock, large shackle. It's 65mm. It's a 5-pin. Looks like a bump key. You have to excuse the snivels and snots. Let's get this picked, see if I can do this one. Very loose core on this. Camera's over there, sorry. If you hear any shouting in the background, it's their grandchildren. They're playing on their PlayStations. I won't talk so much because my throat's really sore at the moment. There we go. That's a Smith & Lock hardened shackle, 65mm. Made in China. I said the key's like a bleeding bump key on it. I don't know if you can see this. I'll put it on there like that. Right, down to this bugger. I think I've remedied what was wrong. I was putting the key in to try it out. I was turning it, nothing was happening. It was sticking. So I found that if I rotated the shaft here, it'd open. But it seems to be alright now. So I'll try that again. I might do that on a stock lock Sunday. I don't know. I want to thank everyone for all their kind words in the comments last week. I really appreciate it. And as to the couple of dudes that ripped me off, well, I don't give a shit. They can go and play with themselves for all I care. Fix Picks. I keep calling it Fix Picks here. I've had it so long. It's Fix Pick and Lock. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed before. All appreciated. Yeah, just keep watching and I'll get there in the end. Cheers.